Claude 3.7 Sonnet just landed, and it's set to revolutionize the world of AI development. After months of anticipation, Anthropic has finally unveiled what might be the most powerful AI yet. In this video, we'll thoroughly test Claude 3.7 Sonnet, explore its amazing capabilities, and I'll guide you step by step on how to effortlessly build your own AI agents and 3D games using it. First off, this groundbreaking AI is already integrated into Vectal, so if you're eager to try it out immediately, just head over to V and sign up. Free users can jump right in, while pro users enjoy unlimited access. Plus, Vectal recently released an extraordinary feature called infinite thinking, letting your AI agents continuously handle tasks for you in the background. Absolute game changer. Anthropic didn't stop there, they've also introduced a powerful reasoning model. Unlike other models, Claude 3.7 Sonnet offers exceptional performance, dominating benchmarks like SWE Bench Verified, surpassing previous leading models by leaps and bounds. With custom scaffolding, it even hits a staggering 70% success rate. When it comes to agentic tool use, Claude 3.7 Sonnet leaves competitors like OpenAI's 0.1 in the dust. Anthropic's debut autonomous AI coding agent, Claude, is also here, your personal AI assistant, actively coding and automating your projects directly in your terminal. Imagine having a personal, tireless assistant handling your coding tasks automatically. But why is Claude 3.7 Sonnet revolutionary for developers and entrepreneurs alike? It's simple. Even Claude 3.5 drastically cut down my development time, enabling me to build and scale my AI startup, Vectal, to thousands of users and significant monthly revenue within just 2 months. Claude 3.7 Sonnet will take this even further, empowering countless new entrepreneurs in 2025 by making the process of launching and scaling businesses faster and simpler than ever. The new Claude 3.7 isn't just great at coding, it's phenomenal at design, too. From creating sleek UI designs to developing immersive 3D games in mere minutes, anyone can build stunning projects by simply describing what they want in plain English. Imagine generating a full 3D game effortlessly, with barely any coding knowledge. Another major improvement is in Claude's approach to moderation. Previous models were overly restrictive, but Claude 3.7 has significantly reduced unnecessary refusals, becoming more practical and responsive to user queries. Simple tasks, like providing a fire emoji, no longer trigger unnecessary censorship. It now thoughtfully handles even potentially sensitive topics, providing informative yet safe responses. Anthropic's success comes from their laser-focused approach. They're not chasing benchmarks or hype. Instead, they're crafting AI optimized for real-world use cases, whether coding, design, or creative tasks. Claude 3.7 Sonnet isn't just a tool, it's practically an employee that can massively boost your productivity and accelerate your journey towards your goals. Now, let's dive into building something real. I'll show you exactly how to set up and leverage Cursor, an incredibly powerful tool integrated with Claude 3.7 Sonnet. I'll even demonstrate YOLO mode, a mind-blowing feature that autonomously writes and executes code safely, turning your instructions into reality while you watch. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a complete beginner, Claude 3.7 Sonnet combined with tools like Cursor and Vectal's infinite thinking feature can revolutionize the way you work. Imagine having a tireless assistant who understands your goals, knows exactly what to do, and completes tasks for you in real time. So, are you ready to harness the power of Claude 3.7 Sonnet to transform your workflow, launch your own AI startup, or simply have fun creating? Hit subscribe to keep up with future guides, and let's dive into building amazing things together.